In this tutorial, we'll show you how to open Panopto, log in, and make a recording. First, locate the Panopto recorder icon on your desktop. It is the green circle with a triangle inside. Simply double-click. Once it is open, locate the Login with Blackboard button. It is the first button in this interface. Once you click it, it will load into your GW Blackboard interface. Simply use your GW login username and password and click Login. Once you log in, you'll be brought to the main Panopto recording interface. In order to make a proper recording, you must be sure that all the options are properly selected and checked. First, let's take a look at the primary source window located on the left-hand side. You'll notice a microphone icon and an audio bar. As you can see, the audio bar is jumping up and down, which means it's properly picking up the audio from the microphone. Now right below it is a amplification bar in case you need to increase the recording volume or decrease the recording volume. Next, you'll see a video option. For the most part, video is not needed for recordings, but in case you do, simply click it and choose the webcam option if available. Next, you'll see the audio option. And by clicking the drop-down menu, you'll see that there are many different selections. For the most part, each room only has about one option. But in order to be sure that you're choosing the correct option, choose it and see if the audio levels are jumping properly. Next is the quality of the recording. We generally will just choose standard. Now right below it is the secondary capture sources, and you see that there is a capture PowerPoint and capture primary screen. Be sure that both these boxes are checked. And if you look to the bottom, you'll also see many different recording options. These are generally set up properly, and there is no need to make any adjustments. Now, in order to send your recording to the proper folder, locate the upside down triangle on the right hand side. Click on it, and it will bring you to a list of different folders that have been previously created. Simply scroll down and find the proper folder in which you need to record your class. In this particular instance, we'll go ahead and go to a generic folder. Once you are there, you highlight the bar, and there are two options. One says manage, the other says add new session. You would like to add new session. After clicking add new session, the proper folder should show up right here in black and bold, and next to it would say folder name, knowing that you have chose the correct folder. Next, you go right below it to this bar and properly title your recording. Once you have done this and have made all the necessary checks, then the recording is ready to go. So go to the red record button and click record. And to know that the recording is properly recording, you'll see this recording countdown as it's going. And that is when you know the recording is recording properly. And once you are done, go to the stop button and click stop. And it says your recording has been completely successful. You will now be taken to the recording status tab. So now we're taken to the recording status tab. And if you look at the very top, you will see three different tabs. Create new recording, which is the main recording page. And now we're at the recording status tab, in which shows the recording status page. Here, it shows that the folder, the time, and the session. And here we have the actions and the status link. So I like to mention the status link right here. As you can see, the media queued for processing. That means your recording is successful and it is now being uploaded to the main Panopto server. Now this can take quite a bit of time. But once your recording has been properly recorded and stopped, there is no need to wait for the entire process to go through, as it can take a bit of time. When you see that the processing is going on, you can simply sign out and log out of your Panopto account. In order to do so, locate the Sign Out button at the upper right-hand side next to the big Panopto icon. As you can see, it says Blackboard and it would have your username. It says logged in and there is a Sign Out button. So when you're ready, simply click the Sign Out button. And now you're logged off of Panopto. And that concludes the most basic features of Panopto.